Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvati here from Paros. Today I'll be taking you through the latest DT kit that I received from Craft Angles. The first one up here is the moss effect paste. It comes in 4 shades: brown, dark green, medium green and light green. Next up is the patina effect paste. This comes in metallic, dark blue, light blue and mint green. So these pastes we already have them. These are basically new formulation of the same paste that we had, so these are better than what we had previously. Next up are these journal stickers. These are really cute, and the first one I'm showing here is vintage patterns. It is basically vintage shades of stickers in that. Second one here is vintage elements. This would be one of my favorites, I guess. So this has very beautiful designs of vintage photographs and elements here, which can be great and can be used as focal elements. Yeah, love this one. And just to show you, these are peelable stickers, and they can be restuck if you change your mind. Next up is flower catalog. So this again has vintage designs of flowers, beautiful vibrant flowers. This again can work as backgrounds or as your focal element. And just for your information, there are 25 stickers in each pack, and it is 6 by 4 centimeter each. Next up is old script. This basically has all scripts and musical notes and such kind of designs here. These I believe would be great backgrounds and backing papers for your main focal image, something like this, right? Next up is motivational quotes. These are amazing quotes, and here I'm just showing you how good of quality these stickers are. And this again has, all of these packs have 25 stickers each, and this particular set has beautiful quotes. I'm just showing you a very quick glimpse through of the quotes that are there, this one being one of my favorite. Next up is silhouettes. This again is a must have, I would say, because the selection of silhouettes here is just amazing. We have solo ones, we have group ones, very motivating and meditative, thought-provoking silhouettes. Next up is vintage butterflies. Beautiful butterfly designs with a vintage backing. If you feel that you don't want that vintage backing, you can fussy cut out the butterflies and use them like you want. An option there. Next up is traveler. This again is one of my favorite, because this is very colorful, vibrant, soothing, and makes me want to travel just by looking at them. It has flowers, gardens, the northern lights, mountains, sea. You ask and you have it all. Next up are Craft Angle sticker rolls. The first one I'm showing here is Old World. These are basically 2.25 by 18-inch roll tapes. and each of these packages, they have 5 rolls, and each roll is a different design. They are not repetitive, but belong to the same family. So I'll just quickly show you the designs in the first roll pack, that is Old World. Beautiful prints. This again is peel and use kind of stickers. Now you may see some wrinkles on the last ones, but these are not going to affect the usability of the stickers. They will flatten out if you when you're using it on your projects. Next one, I'm moving on to maps. This again is a roll of 5 different designs of different kinds of maps. I'll quickly walk you through the designs that we have in this particular pack. Next is Pretty Plate 1. So plates, we have 2 different plates, Pretty Plate 1 and Pretty Plate 2. I'll show you the first one, Pretty Plate 1 first. So this basically comes in the cool shades like blue, lavender, dark shade of blue and some light green. Next, I'll show you Pretty Plate 2. These are more of warmer tones. We have light orange, some yellows, some darker green and darker shade of orange, etc. So basically one is cooler tones and the other one is warmer tones. Next up is ruler prints. As the name suggests, these are ruler designs. So you can see we have 2 browns, 2 whites and 1 black. Next is Vintage Script. This has all the script designs in different styles. These will look amazing on vintage journal pages. Next up is travel. These are the designs that you have within that. Next is Vintage Butterflies. These are beautiful butterflies with a white scripted background. So it's a very interesting addition, and you have different colors of butterflies in each of them. The last one here is Vintage Tickets. So these are basically some vintage style tickets. You can use these as labels easily if you want, if you're not planning to use them on journal, but these are just colorful, vibrant, beautiful tickets. They can be a beautiful addition to your journal pages. Next up, we are moving to element packs. So these are some beautiful additions we have. Now each of these element packs, they have 3 A4 sheet size papers of 300 GSM each. I'll quickly show you what I'm talking about. So there you go, 3 different um, designs in each pack. Now we also have some sentiment sheets. These are 2 sentiment sheets each in each pack. So, and this one is one white and the same sentiments on black. Motivational sentiment again, same is the case, one white and one black, and they both have the same sentiments basically. Next one is stickers. So these stickers basically they are transparent stickers with a white backing, so you can cut these and use them like transparent sentiments for your journal page. Now you may feel confused because we have motivational sentiment one twice. You may see that on the website you have one as black and white and another one as white and white. So the white and white ones are basically your stickers. They are transparent stickers, so do not be confused while ordering. We have creativity sentiment 1 and 2. Again, these are also available in transparent stickers. So yeah, that's about it. The latest DT kit is amazing, and we have so many sentiment sheets, sticker sheets, element packs, we have journal stickers, we have roll stickers, we have the new moss and patina effect paste in new formulation. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful and informative, and you could understand the basic differences. Till we meet again, it's Parvati signing off. Bye bye.